Hi, I'm in BMW 1 Series E87 and I just want to give you some tips about the noisy, squeaky sounds that came from the A-pillars in this car. And I guess that most of the BMW cars that use same methods to mount this will have the same issue. So to fix it, all you need to do is to remove the A-pillar cover, and to do that you need to start with this airbag sign over here. You need to pry it. There's a torque screw underneath, and when you remove that screw and the metal piece that's under it, you can just grab the A-pillar cover, slide it slightly up and slightly to the back, and it will just pop out. And when you have this A-pillar cover out, you need to add some foam, sticky foam to it, so the contact place with the dashboard is not plastic to plastic, because that's the main problem of this panel making this noise, that it's the plastic to plastic rubbing sound. And right now I have this foam installed over here, but if I press it really hard, you can hear the noise. So let me just show it to you. Yeah, that's the noise. That foam that I added over here is enough to stop the A-pillar cover from squeaking while driving, when you're trying to park over a curb or something like that, when your car twists, or when you go on a really shaky road. This A-pillar cover is not making any noises anymore. And same goes on the other side, of course. In this car I needed to do it 3 times to make it correctly, so just to make sure that this panel is not making any noises while driving, I needed to place the foam, the sticky foam, just everywhere I could think of. Okay, that's it. Thank you.